Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your MacBook. This incredibly popular rhythm-based platformer offers hours of fun, and getting it set up on your Apple laptop is quite straightforward. We will cover the simple steps to install the game, optimize its performance, and enhance your overall gameplay experience. Get ready to jump, fly, and flip your way through challenging levels. The most direct and recommended way to get Geometry Dash on your MacBook is through the Steam platform. Simply purchase and download the game from the Steam store. Make sure your Mac OS operating system meets the minimum requirements for smooth operation. The game itself is quite small, needing only about 100 megabytes of storage space, so installation should be quick and easy. To ensure the best possible experience, optimizing your game settings is key. Within Geometry Dash, navigate to the graphics options and consider lowering the quality settings for smoother frame rates, especially on older MacBooks. Additionally, close any applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources. For enhanced precision during gameplay, many players find using an external mouse incredibly helpful. Once you are set up, it is time to master the game. Start by practicing the official levels to hone your timing and reflexes. The game also boasts an enormous collection of user-created levels, offering virtually endless new challenges to explore. Don't hesitate to connect with the vibrant online community. They are a fantastic resource for tips, tricks, and sharing your own level creations. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.